This is the world's largest airplane. Paper airplane.
No, it's not. You liar.
Cardboard paper.
No, it's not. I've seen paper. Ding, ding, ding.
Okay, watch out.
What?
Okay, hold this. Michael, oh my god. Let's see. Since I gotta do this all by myself, because he can't. He's immobilized. World's largest airplane. Can you hold this and throw it?
Oh, yes.
Wait, wait, when I say throw.
This is really the largest airplane.
I don't know if y'all can see it or not.
Alright, ready?
Throw it.
That clearly stopped.
Oh,
Well, this one flies even better.
it's down there.
Alright, ready?
Wait.
But it crash lands.
No, it didn't crash land.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see it. It went way in the woods over there. It's a little white dot you see above that pole. Oh, we're gonna show you one more test. Jamichael, get the paper airplane, the big one, and bring it up here. The world's largest airplane. Let me get the camera right. Okay. Michael, lay next to it. I said next to it, not on it. Well, you know what, forget you. I'll get a tape measure. You can't do anything right.
Hello, all you ladies.
Move. Okay, we're gonna figure out how long the thing is. Michael, hold the tape measure right. No, you can't even do it right.
Yeah, I can. Look.
There you go.
I got it.
Okay, it's about
33 inches.
33.5 inches.
And a half.
And then about the middle point, it is about 8 inches tall.
7.5.
8.
77.
At the very front, it is about 3.5 inches.
Right?
And at the very back, it's a foot. And let me check the wingspan. From the back, 22.5 inches. This has been the world's largest, if it's camera, airplane.
Nuh-uh. You lie. It's not world's largest. This thing's tiny. It's really actually just small.
Just shut up.
Just you shut up.
World's largest airplane.